Hello guys, welcome back to Free Spirit Tarot, Triple V Tarot. I'm Rishale, psychic reader. I read according to my intuition and energy. It's a general reading. It may or may not resonate. So take what resonates and leave the rest. The energies can be past, present, future. I just forgot to do Capricorn reading in karma reading. Karma of your ex for hurting you. So I am just completing this reading. So let's do general collective reading for sign of Capricorn. Sun, Moon, Rising, Capricorn. Karma of your ex for hurting you. I have already shuffled the cards and let's get started. So, how did they play you? So, I have Knight of Pentacles, World, and the Lovers. So, I think they showed you lot of love. I mean, like you were like in totally into one another, and they offered you the commitment, but the commitment was so slow. From years he had been telling you that he will get into commitment with you, but as he moved, or I think this horse is standing, can you see this horse is standing, so you thought that this commitment is never going to come, he'll just keep on selling you the dream, so you ended the things with him. This is what happened. Then how they feel about playing with you? They feel that it was you ended the relationship, and you moved forward. You emptied this family room. That is what he thinks about you. Yeah. He thinks that I think you were into a long term commitment with this person, or you were married to this person, and you just ended the things and you moved forward. That is what he thinks, and he doesn't think that he is not taking anywhere accountability for. So what is happening with him now? Official person, two of wands, and four of cups. I think he's very sad. First of all, four of cups is he's having options right now, but he always keeps thinking about you. What would have been life with you? Why didn't he commit? That is what he keeps thinking. And he thinks that you were their official person, or he might get into trouble with law. He might be, yeah, because this person is wearing uniform, so it might be that he is dealing with some legal things right now, or he thinks that you were their official person and you had an option, or they also have an option but they are not able to choose it. That is what he is going through now. He is very sad. I can see that he is right now into lot of mental stress. Eight of Swords. He's working. He's working on his craft or money. I guess he's not able to balance his money. Two of Pentacles is he is trying to balance his financial things. He is into some job. He is concentrating on job, but he is in lot of stress. Okay, so how do they feel about you now? So whenever they think of you, they think that they should have, here you have Temperance, Child, and Love. I think there is lot of love. There was lot of love between you. Here also Lover's card is there. Here Two of Cups. So I think they think now they should have balanced. They should have balanced the situation. They should have done it, or you have balanced your life, you have moved forward and you have balanced your life, and they think that you are with someone who takes care of you like a child. For some of you it can also go like this, that you have found someone with whom you are taking care of their child. That is what, in other way it goes around that way, if you are not married, committed, or something like that. So what would be their karma for hurting you and selling you these dreams? You have Nine of Wands. See, Nine of Wands, despair, okay, and the Fool. So their karma is that they will feel very foolish. They will think, what I have done. They will have no job. They will keep on thinking about you, what they have done with you. Why did they do this to you? And they will be on their knees. I can actually, Nine of Wands is a different meaning, like a hurt warrior. But I think this person is on knees. Like he will feel that just because he hurt you, he's going through all this life turmoil, one after other. What to say? Unfortunate events and all. That type he will feel. He will always feel that he will always want you back. He will keep on thinking, I just because he hurt you, his karma is that he will face lot of what to say, obstacles in his life, that he will be on his knees and he will be constantly worrying about the situations. You can see he will be suffering financially also, because he sold you the dreams of finances, stability, commitment. Can you see that no hire is written on that? No, not hiring. And this is a 5 number card, so this is lot of sorrow, sadness, anxiety will be there in their life, and they will feel very foolish to let you go. They will never be able to start anything good. This also can go around that way. So this was a karma of your ex, Capricorn. So let's see, these are the 3 cards to close down this reading. What are their thoughts? What are the things they want to tell you that they are not able to, as you might not be in contact? So if they get a chance, what they want to tell you? Okay, this one card wanted to jump out. I want to accomplish all my small and big dreams with you. So he want to tell you that he want to accomplish all his small and big dreams with you. Like the time has gone by, now he wants to say that, like he, as we can see, he is now in sorrow. So I want to tell you truth, but I just cannot. So still he has not spoken the truth, or he has not come by and told you that he wants you. Okay, the last message. Your beauty is amazing. So he is in love with you. See, I still love you regardless of how things seems. So this person loved you, that is for sure. So there's no doubt about that, you both had love in between you. But things have turned out like this. Regardless, I still love you. Regardless of how things seem, I still love you. So this confirms this lover card here. I hope this resonates with you. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Don't forget to comment. For personal readings, do check description box down below. See you soon in next video. Till then, love and light.